Find the general and particular solutions of the derivative f prime of x equals the natural exponential raised to the 2x that satisfy the initial condition capital F of 0 equals 3. So the first thing that we need to do here is find the general solution. So in other words, find the antiderivative. So our general solution we'll keep in mind is simply the integral of the derivative f prime of x dx being equal to that antiderivative capital F of x plus c. So plugging in what we're given here, we have the integral of the natural exponential raised to the 2x dx, which integrates to the natural exponential raised to the 2x divided by 2 plus c. So therefore, our general solution is defined as capital F of x being equal to the natural exponential raised to the 2x divided by 2 plus c. And so now that we have this general solution, we want to use this to find the particular solution. And this is the particular solution for that initial condition that's given. So let's make a love note here to ourselves that we were given the initial condition, the point that satisfies this general antiderivative. Here is defined as f of 0 is equal to 3. So in other words, when we substitute or we replace each x in the general solution with 0, we should set this equal to 3. So here we go. We have f of 0 is equal to the natural exponential raised to the 2 times 0 divided by 2 plus that arbitrary constant c. And we know by our initial condition that that's set equal to 3. And so we can now use this to solve for c. So we know that anything raised to the 0, so we know that 2 times 0 is 0, and then anything raised to the 0 goes to 1. So we're left with 1/2 plus c is equal to 3. All right, so solving for c here, we have c is equal to 3 minus 1/2. And getting a common denominator, we have 6/2 minus 1/2, which leaves us with a final answer of c is equal to 5/2. So the only thing here is don't get so excited that you found c is equal to 5/2 that you forget. We're not just looking for the constant, we need the particular solution. So we can say, therefore, the particular solution here would be capital F of x is equal to the natural exponential raised to the 2x divided by 2 plus 5/2. And this is our beautiful final answer.